This assessment asks us how this IR proves that this reaction occurs when an aldehyde is reduced with sodium borohydride to form an alcohol. The starting material, aldehyde, has a CO double bond, and the product does not. The product has an OH sigma bond in the alcohol, but the starting material does not. So this is how we use spectroscopy to confirm the products of reactions. We look at what the bond difference is between the starting material and products and figure out how the IR proves or disproves that. For the starting material, the CO pi bond should have a stretch around 1700 wave numbers, but I don't see any stretch around 1700. That tells me that whatever this structure is, it does not have a CO pi bond in it. Furthermore, my product should have an alcohol OH bond in it, and my IR does have a characteristic alcohol stretch around 3300. So that tells me that whatever this structure is does have an alcohol. Knowing the starting material I started with and the product I was trying to form, the fact that I see an alcohol in the IR but not a carbonyl tells me that this reaction was successful in this reduction.